Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Let's start our revision assignment based on International System of Numeration. Hope you have understood the concept based on International System, right? Now let us solve some problems. The amount on the check in International System is written as. How will you write any number in International System? At first, let's read the number on the check. What is the number on the check? 24,35,255. It is 24,35,255. Now, let's write this number. It is 24,35,255. If you observe, I am not writing the commas. Okay. Now, we need to write this number in the International Place Value System. Okay. How will you write any number in International System? Till hundreds place, both the systems are same. So, I will keep one comma here. Right. And after that, thousands place, 10,000s place, and then 100,000s place. Right? After that, what will you say, children? 435. 2,435,255. 2,435,255. In which option we are having that? Let's find out. 2,535,000. It is wrong. 2,455,000. It is also wrong because we are having 435,000. 2,435,000. Yes, 2,435,250. But here it is 55. So, option 3 is also wrong. Now, let's move to the last one. 2,435,255. 2,435,255. How will you write this number? 2,435,255. So, in which option you are having this? In option D. Okay. So, let's move to the next one. The numeral of 50,227,272. The numeral of 50 million. Where you are having 50 million. At first, if you observe the options, you are having these two numbers in Indian place value system. Why they are in Indian place value system? If you observe this is written in thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and then crores. Okay. This is also same case. But here if you observe these two numbers, this is again Indian place value system or international one. These two are written in international place value system. Okay. Now you have to consider these two options and among those two, which one is the correct one? You need to identify. Our number is saying that 50 million. Yes, both the options are having 50 million. 227,000. Which option is having 227,000? Option A is having 227,272. Option A is having 50,227,272. So, what is the correct option here? It is A. Okay, children? Right. Next, move to the third one. The cost of a sports car is 5,235,635. What is the cost of a sports car? 5,235,635. In which option you are having that cost? If you observe all the numbers, you are having only two options with 5 millions. Okay. B and D. And now, where is 235,000? 235,635 rupees was in option B. So what is the correct option here? It is B. 5,235,000 rupees, 235,635 rupees. Okay, what is the cost of this sports car? 5,235,635 rupees. Okay. Next, move to the next one. 1 million is equal to dash lakhs. How will you write 1 million at first? Let us write 1 million. Whether I have written correctly or not, let's check now. Ones, tens, thousands. Okay. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and this is 100,000s. But where is the million? So I need to write one more zero. Ones, tens, hundreds, right? Thousands, 10,000s, and then 100,000s, and then it is millions. So how many zeros are there in 1 million? There are 6 zeros. Okay. Now let's keep commas according to lakhs. Let's keep commas. How many lakhs are there in this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So let's keep one more thing here. So how many lakhs are there here? 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So what is the answer? 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Okay. That is our option C. Now let's move to the fifth one. In international system, we place commas after every dash digits. In international place value system, after how many digits will you place commas? After every 3 digits. So what is the correct option here? It is B. Okay. Now let's move to the sixth one. The place value of the colored digit in international system of numeration. Is there any digit which was colored in the given number, children? If you observe, there is one digit which was colored in the international system. Which was colored? Let's observe. 9. The number 9 was colored. Now you have to identify what is the place value of the digit 9. Okay. Now if you write it in the international system, you have to put comma here, and here you have to put one more comma. So how will you read this number? It is 89,654,231. Okay, it is 89,654,231. Now, what is the place value of 9? Okay, what is the place value of 9? If you observe, after 9, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros there should be. In which option you are having 6 zeros after 9? In option D, you are having 9 after 6 zeros. Okay. So, that is our correct option. Let's move to the next one. The place value of a digit in Indian system is 7 lakh. Then the place value of the same digit in international system is. The place value of a digit in a number is 7 lakhs. What is the place value? It is 7 lakhs. Okay. Then the place value of the same digit in international system. Then the place value of the same digit in international system. What is the place value of the same digit in international system? It is 7 lakh. 7 lakh means how will you write? 7 lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then lakh. So it is 7 lakh. Now how will you write it in international place value system? Again you write it 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. After 3 we need to place a comma, and this is 700, right? How will you read this number? It is 700,000. 700,000. So where is 700,000? In option C we are having 700,000. C. So what is our correct option? It is C. The face value of a digit in Indian system is 9. What is the face value of a digit in Indian system? It is 9. Then the face value of same digit in international system is, face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. What is the definition of face value of a digit? Face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. So if you write it in Indian system or in international system, its face value is same. So what is the face value of a digit in Indian system and international system? It is again 9. So what is the answer here? It is B. Now, how many places are there in millions period? How many places are there in millions period? Millions period. What is millions period? Have you ever observed millions period? How many millions places will be there? 1 million, 10 million, 100 millions. So how many places are there in millions period? There are 3 places. Next one. The numeral of 2,000,002 is. How will you write the numeral of 2,000,002? 2,000,002. Okay. Here, if you observe, this is 2000. Clearly, this is not our correct option. If you observe this one, this is 200,000. So, this is also not millions number. You can avoid these two options. Now, consider, if you consider this option, here it is 2,000,007. But your number name is 2,000,002. So, what is our correct option? It is C. So, what is the correct answer for 10th question? It is C. 2,000,002. Okay, children? Hope you have understood the concept. Thank you very much. Do practice at home.